In this video, we will see how to set time, date, and weekday on a citizen watch. First of all, we have to understand how work the crown. When it's all the way pushed in, it does absolutely nothing, but there is two other positions. There is the position that is fully pulled, just like that, and when it's in this position, you can turn it clockwise to set the time. That's not more complicated than this. And when you go in between, right there, you can adjust by turning clockwise the day of the week. So we got Wednesday, then we've got mercredi, then we've got Thursday, and then jeudi. So as you can see, it's bilingual. If you want to set it to English, you just leave it on English. If you want to set it to French, you set it to French or whatever the other language that is on your watch. And if you want to change the date, you turn it counterclockwise. And from there, you can change the date. Now, be careful when you are on that position. Make sure you are never between 21 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Basically, just make sure that the small end is on the lower side of the screen. This way you will never have trouble. The thing is that if you do it while it is between 21 and 3 o'clock, this is the time where, as you will be able to see, the mechanic inside does change the date and weekday. Now you see it does change the date, and then eventually there it changed the weekday, and after 3, now it finished to 4. Yeah, see, just make sure you do it on that part of the screen. Otherwise, it is possible for many kind of watch like that you damage it. When you're done, press the crown and you are done. So I hope this video was helpful.